so today I'm going to show you the ST3100. It's an absolutely fantastic gun. It's got the progressive dampening valve, so you're not going to get any water hammer when you're spraying away and cleaning the food factory environments. This particular one's got a quick release on it. We also do a large amount of colour-coded equipment. So you've got your colour-coded gun covers and colour-coded lances, which are all HACCP compliant. And obviously colour coding is a really important part of any cleaning operation within a food factory environment, because you can easily identify if some equipment's got into the wrong place, and this minimises the cross-contamination risk that is posed in these environments. So yeah, we do stock all of that. If you need to see any more of these items, you can download the catalogue online, or you can request and we'll send a catalogue out to you so you can have a look at it.